Then another powerful feature or tool in the insert tab is to create space. This is the first one, insert space. You can also find it under the draw tab of the toolbar. You can still have it here. It's here as well. Look at it, insert space. Because my view is very wide, that's why it's hidden. That's insert space. So under the insert tab, click on insert space. Okay, you see that? You just click, press and drag. Press and drag. It will create that space for you. And you start right. You can see that. You can see it. Is it? So this, that's my A. Okay, A, B, C. I've written on this space. Now let me undo. Ctrl Z. Okay. Now to close any space as well, you also use the insert tab. Okay, you click, then you press back. As long as you are going back, it's reducing the space, it's removing their space. That's it. That's what the insert tab does for you. It's very, very nice. Okay, you can insert something anywhere as you write along.